Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we have maybe the final battle box that I'm going to receive. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And yes, friends, let's do it. Okay, so yes, this is probably going to be my last battle box because if my math is correct, when I canceled my battle box subscription, I was paying on a longer term, and when I canceled it, they still owed me a couple boxes, and to be honest with you, I'd kind of forgot about it, and I believe that this is going to be the last box that I will receive from BattlBox. And with that, we are going to look at a knife that I have not looked up. All I've done was open it, and I'm going to let you guys kind of share in that real quick. This was given to me by my brother, and when he handed me this package, I was stoked because it says Pocket Samurai on it, and it's got like bamboo, background, and it's got Japanese lettering up here on the top, and man, it says caution, blade is extremely sharp on it. So you can imagine, okay, you get this, and it says Pocket Samurai, and looks cool like this, right? Okay. Now, my expectations of what was going to be in here was not this. Okay, this is what's in the Pocket Samurai. And if you guys want to look them up, they're at this can be found at statgeartools.com. That's STATGEARTOOLS.com. And it's just a little fold out. It's just a little fold-out blade. And, hey, it says it's extremely sharp. And, it says here this is aluminum. And it's 440C stainless blade. And it does have some, I don't know how good it's going to come in, but it does have some Japanese, like, text, characters there on the top of the blade. Yeah, I mean, I will say this. It's a cool looking little knife. Okay, I will say that. I'm not going to take anything away from it. But when you hand me a little box like this, and it says Pocket Samurai, come on. I know a lot of you guys were thinking it. I thought I was going to pull out a little miniaturized samurai sword. That's what I wanted to see, a little miniature samurai sword. That would have been awesome. But nonetheless, this is what came in it, so I'm not going to knock it. It's cool. Not gonna hate. But come on, I got duped on that one. I got my hopes up and got my feelings hurt. So yeah. So anyway, that's the Pocket Samurai. Well, I guess I should leave it out in case I need to cut anything. So yeah, 440C stainless steel blade, and yeah, all that goodness. All right, so this actually is mission brief number 90. And this is, I'm probably going to put these videos up together. The last video, the battle box, where there was no card in it. It was just a bunch of the Lord and Field gear. I don't know why I received that, because BattlBox has no idea who I am. They don't know that, they don't know who I am in regards to this YouTube channel. So there would have been no reason why they would have just randomly sent me another box. So I don't know what's going on with that. But yeah, it didn't have a card or anything in it. So if you go back and watch that video, you'll see there was no card or anything on it. But anyway, this is mission number 90, and it says, is it already August? It dang sure is. So that means it's time for mission 90 of BattlBox. Summer's in full swing, and hopefully you're spending time in the great outdoors with family and friends. This month's box will for sure make those times more enjoyable. Turn the page, which we're not going to do. All right, so let's see what we got here. Okay, now so this is good wording. This is called Charlotte's Webbing Camp Organizer. How about that? It's just some webbing and some carabiners. But come on, oh man, it's even got Charlotte's Web there on it right here. And it says, and it's also got BattlBox on it. So this is, okay, it says BattlBox edition. It's from the outdoorelement.com. It has 3 carabiners and some little alligator clips. It says it's 12 feet long. All right. These things are always handy to string up, you know, whatever you need. They show all types of things like clothes, and it says the gear beaners have a 50-pound rating. It has 12 feet of webbing. It has 20 eyelets. Okay, so there's little eyelets, you know, spaced along this cordage here. Okay, so that's really cool. This is something that definitely will come in handy. It definitely has a use. So yeah, all right, that's a good item. Good first item. All right, toadfish. Something from toadfish. What is this? Some Velcro. What is this? What is this? Okay, this is obviously for something. Okay, this is a case for something. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, this is for something else in here. So we'll put this to the side for now. Oh, we got a lot of toadfish stuff in here. All right. What do we got here? A toadfish stowaway cutting board. A stowaway cutting board. Okay, all right. All right, this is going to be for the glampers that are out there. You know, the people that like to have their full necessities when they go camping. Look at that, a folding cutting board. All right. Man, this is nicer than the cutting board I have in my kitchen. Okay, and check that out. It even has a 2-stage sharpener built into it. Let me get it right here where you can see it. There. Yeah, it has a 2-stage sharpener built into the cutting board. How cool is that? And yeah, it stows away. Just, you know, it accordions up, and it's even got little grippers there on the back side. All right. Lord have mercy. They take the fun out of going out in the woods, man. They give you all this kind of stuff. All right, what we got here? We got a Procter & Gamble. This looks like a water bag. I believe that's what this is going to be. It's just a water bag. Yep. Oh, this is actually a water purification system. Okay, let's see. 12 packets of something or other. Some water treating chemicals. Each one will do 2.5 gallons, and I'm assuming this bag holds 2.5 gallons. All right, check out that. All right. All right, very cool. And here we got some, hopefully you can see those instructions there. They tell you what to do, how to get down with it. I got some stuff up here I don't really know right off the bat what it is. But, let's see. All right. Yeah. So instead of like a little small purifying thing, this is for really, you know, purifying large quantities, or at least, you know, large in the sense of what you're going to take and what you're going to drink, like right now immediately, like at your campsite or for dinner or something. Because this is for doing, you know, a lot of, you know, a larger quantity of water, which is awesome. So yeah, made by Procter & Gamble. All right, and we'll put these things back on here, these rubber bands back on here. That'll keep all this stuff together so nothing gets separated. And then I'll look at it and I don't know what it is or what it's for. So yeah, all right, we got a theme here going. We got stuff for our camp, for cooking and eating. We got a non-tipping tumbler. What do you mean non-tipping? Man, boy, that thing's on there. Man, that lid was on there. Okay, one of the things I will say I do like about it, it does have graduation marks in there. And this thing is what, 10 ounces? 8 ounces? Yeah, 8 ounces. Very, very thick vacuum in there, if that's what it is. Double-walled, vacuum insulated. Smart grip. Makes it hard to tip, but easy to lift. Okay. All right. Okay, cool. So we got a little tumbler from Toadfish. the same company that's supplying all this other stuff. And this was, I'm assuming this was what our little neoprene bag was for, was this, and this is going to be a knife, a filleting knife. Man, that's a really cool box that it came in. So we have a filleting knife that has a carabiner on it. Very cool. Very cool. Wow, that is a blade. Boy, that is a blade. Okay, because like I said, it is a filleting knife, so it does need to be very skinny and very long, and that definitely fits the bill. So yeah. And apparently, when you don't, and I'm assuming that's all that's in here. Yeah, that's all that's in here. Now let's see. Raised rib grips, 7-inch titanium, rust-resistant blade, all titanium coated, salt-tough components. So yeah, take it on your boat. And apparently, they want you to put this in here. But boy, this thing is way bigger. Can you put the cutting board in there? I don't know. All right, I'll check the book out on that. But yeah, there's some information about the blade there if you want to, if it'll focus, if you want to see that. I don't have any particular, knowledge of Toadfish as a company. I don't really know nothing about them, so I don't know. I don't have any familiarity with the brand, although I will say, like I do in all these videos, I do now. Last two things, we have an Atwood rope manufacturing micro cord dispenser with a built-in cutting blade, and it does actually come with some cordage already on it. I do appreciate that. It says it ties well. You really want to hear that about your cordage. Diameter is 3/64 or 1.18 millimeter. And there you go. There's all the information you could ever want to know about this little cord dispenser. And yeah, it looks really cool. All the cord dispensers I have are the ones that you have to break them apart and you have to feed your paracord in them yourself. And this one already comes loaded up with cord already in it. And it says it is reloadable, reusable, so you can take the cord in it, roll it back up, or buy a new cord for it. All right, awesome. Let's see, then our last thing is a Summit Knife Co. Mount Olympus. Let's see. Okay, it says, telling me some stuff about Mount Olympus. Don't know why. I mean, it's just the name of the knife. Don't expect the knife to actually be a mountain, but that's okay. But it does have a really good presentation in the box. Man, bad boy don't want to come out of there neither. Okay. Okay. It looks like it's really light. Again, it has these carbon scales on it. And I don't know if that's an anodized piece or whatever. It has a liner lock. But the knife does look really nice. I don't know, like I said, I'm pretty sure this is some type of anodizing trickery going on here. But for a pocket knife, it's yeah, I like it. It's got some jimping up here on top of the spine right here at the top. And you can see it kind of goes up, and then down, and then rolls down to the termination point right here at the tip. Yeah, Summit knife. Okay, like I said, got some carbon, very light, very, very light. Let's see what the book has to say about the knife, or we'll go through everything real quick while we're here. Okay, so basic box would have given you the cord dispenser at $13. $13. Yeah, that's about right. The Charlotte's Web Custom Camp Organizer, you would have got that as well, and that would have been $23. Okay. And then we got the tumbler. 24, was that $24.99? 24 bucks even. Tumblers are around that in that price range. So yeah, okay, I'll agree with that. That would have been in your basic box. You step up to the advanced box, you would have got all that. Plus, you would have got the Puribag. Let's see what they say about this. It says it's gone viral on TikTok. Okay, so apparently this water purification bag has gone viral on their TikTok page and their YouTube channel. Okay, so go to BattlBox's YouTube channel or their TikTok, and apparently this bag has gone viral. Go check it out. See what you think about it. $50. $50 for the Procter & Gamble water bag. Okay? That would have been the advanced box. You step up to the Pro box. You would have added the Toadfish Stowaway, the fillet knife. Okay, you would have got the fillet knife and... Oh, wait a minute. Okay. So, the cutting board, the fillet knife, and the little neoprene bag, all that stuff goes together. All three of those items go together. And that is $106 for a filleting knife, the cool cutting board, and then a little neoprene bag. Alright, and it does say the neoprene bag, you stuff the cutting board in the bag, and then you put the filleting knife in the little outer part. And then finally, in the Pro Plus box, you would have got everything plus this little guy right here. And this is a $109 knife. It says here that it features a 2.75 inch VG10. VG10 steel blade. Alright. Of course, it is a liner lock. Carbon fiber scales. And this, okay, it says brass colored hardware. So this is not brass. It's just some anodizing trickery. Overall length 6.75. Net weight 2.7 ounces. As I said, it's very, very light. EDC knife. There you go. I like it. I like the knife. Knife's cool. Knife's cool. Alright, my fishing buddies will really love this stuff. Camping guys will like some of this other stuff. So yeah, this box hit pretty much 3 big groups of people. So tell me what you guys think in the comments section down below. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this box was worth the Pro Plus box price? Or the prices that we just went over? Let me know down in the comment section down below. I will put a subscription button here, next video over here, and let me know what you guys think about any of these products, especially the Summit knives. Do you have any experience with these Summit knives, or do you particularly like these little knives with these carbon fiber scales on them? That's something really kind of new to me, but I kind of like it. I don't know how good they'll hold up long term, but you know, hey, you never know. That's it, guys. That's all I got for you. And comment, let me know what you think, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.